This is the CMC Markets Connect weekly volatility roundup. A key theme over the last week has been the build-up to a vote by US lawmakers around a vote to legalise marijuana at a federal level. This was passed by a small majority on Friday, justifying the added interest both in specific stocks and CMC Markets' proprietary cannabis basket of shares over the last few days. Canadian-listed Canopy Growth, with the app ticker of WEED, printed daily vol in excess of 300% on Monday against a weekly equivalent of 162%, whilst vol in CMC's cannabis basket topped out at 279% earlier in the week. Arguably, there's a potential for interest to remain elevated here in the coming days. In terms of fiat currencies, dollar-yen has been in focus after the pair tested a 6-year high, then began a retreat. The key points to watch here are the diverging fundamentals, with the Bank of Japan maintaining that dovish stance over policy, buying up bonds, and the fact the yen still has some safe haven allure. That's all happening while the greenback promises a far better yield. Activity was again weighted towards the start of the week, with volatility running around 15%, but still topped the asset class on Friday, printing 9.85% against 8.7% on the month. Soft commodities have also seen active trade, although there's a general air that the market has become overextended. Key amongst this cohort was the lean hogs price, where traders were eyeing the release of data from the US Department of Agriculture over the current herd size on Thursday. Contraction was expected, but the print indicated a rather more dramatic drop, leading the underlying to post a brief spike higher before reverting. By Friday, daily vol sat at 96.1% against 71.26% on the month. Leaving aside Bitcoin, cryptos also saw some action this week, seemingly triggered by the end of the tax year in many countries on Thursday. This resulted in some increased selling, which notably drove daily vol in Ripple up to 156% in the latter part of the week. Over the weekend, there's been something of a recovery, suggesting investors simply needed to crystallise gains ahead of the new quarter, and vol could therefore remain elevated into the start of the new week.